We live it in a digital world. Most of the things today are digital managed, but we don't know how it really works. A digital system is a set of design for the generation, transmission, handling, processing, or storage of digital things. Also, unlike an analog system, digital system is a combination of design designed to manipulate physical quantities or information to be represented in digital form. That is, they can only take discrete values, 0 or 1. We used basic knowledge of digital system. We decided to make a project using R as a reference point the shot put computation. To enter in context, shot put on the several file event including measure of distance to determine the winner. The player will have to launch the put, and when this fall on the surface will have to mark distance.
The motivation of this project was to automate the measurement of the Olympic sports of shot put or jammer, as well as a taste for the sport. Was a clear opportunity to put our basic knowledge of digital system to capture the idea project into something physical and functional. Making this project, we will confirm the knowledge that we have, and we are going to be able to solve any situation or need that comes in our way. We know that in any shot put competition in the Olympic Games, to get the result, the reference has to measure it manually, and there's in when our project involves. They feel by themselves feels the shot and automatically and instantly displays the score. So that is too easy to obtain the result of a winner for the referees, making faster the competition. Even making some modification to the circuit can be implemented for discus and javelins.
In the video, we can see the project in action, and we can observe that in the displays the score appears automatically to make it easy the way that the referees got the results. And that's how our idea came through, helping by the logic gates and the knowledge acquired on our digital systems course.
In our block diagram, we show all the components and the logic gates that we used. Briefly, the 30 switches input goes to a node, and then that output goes through our array of OR gates to get codified, and finally the output goes to the 74447 to help us to show the numbers in the display. The functionality basically consists throwing the object, it will activate the switch, and in the displays it will show the result. If in some case the object activates two switches, the displays will show the bigger score.
If we want to implement our project on a near future for the shot put in the Olympic Games, our design is ready. But if we implement it for the disc or javelin throwing, we have to make some changes in the design and test in the transmission lines, because the distance are a little bigger than the other. We are talking about the distance bigger than 70 meters, although it can cause a little delay in the results. A significant change in the design will be changed the switches for infrared sensors or laser sensors, who are going to help to determine and detect the distance when the object touches the field after its air trajectory. The cost of this project can vary, because if we implement it once, the cost will be high, because if you acquire your material piece by piece, the price is higher than if you buy the wholesale. Therefore, we can give the exact price.